Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to begin with the first chapter of class 9th English, the topic the fun they had. I know this topic is going to be very relevant for you as all of us are in our houses in this lockdown situation. And we know the importance of all the gadgets that we use and the fun you have at school. And this is what we are going to learn the fun they had in the school, and the problems which they are facing now. So it is going to be very interesting. You will know it better as we are in the same situation now. So, first of all, we'll see about the author. Isaac Asimov was born on 2nd January 1920 in Russia. He immigrated with his family to the United States and became a biochemistry professor while pursuing writing. He published his first novel, Pebble in the Sky, in 1950. An immensely prolific author who penned nearly 500 books, he published influential scientific works like I, Robot, and the Foundation trilogy, as well as books in a variety of other genres. He died in New York City on 6 April 1992. Before we begin, let us reflect upon some of the questions like what kind of school would you want to have in the future? How much will the computer be involved in the future education? Will you feel more happy in more developed high-tech society? Why or why not? Isaac Asimov depicts a school system which is independent of human teacher and based on technical advances. The main advantage is the individual teaching which can train the personal talents. In this system, there are no human mistakes and it is perfect way to give every child the same knowledge and information. But there are some disadvantages too. Humans do not learn like computers. I think learning has to be a kind of fun, otherwise, the probability of forgetting is higher. Studies have some to Studies have come to the result that you can learn things better if you have fun while you are learning. Another disadvantage is that there are no social relationships like at schools today. If a child lives in a neighborhood with no other children, it is alone and has no social relationships with others. Learning with friends at school can be motivational. At schools, today the children improve their communication and their behavior in a group. In Asimov's future vision, there are no human teachers who can give moral values to the children. Giving moral values is the duty of their parents because a mechanical teacher cannot give moral values. Let us go for the summary of the chapter. In the year 2157, the 13-year-old Tommy finds an old book. He and Margie, who is 11, find it strange that the words on paper do not move after having been read. Nowadays, they only read stories on the computer screen. The book is about school centuries ago. Marg is very surprised that in the past children had a person as a teacher and that all children of the same age learned the same thing and went to the schoolhouse with other children. Margie wants to read more of the book, but first she has to learn with her mechanical teacher whose level is too advanced for her and she thinks school is those days was much better than today. School in the future will be very bad. School nowadays is very good and the children have much fun. For example, in line 80 Margie says, I hate school. And in the last two lines there is written, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. I also think that school nowadays is better than in the story. In the future, in the school as described by Asimov, the social aspects is lost. There are no forms anymore. Everybody sits in front of his computer and the children cannot learn together because every child learns different things. But school today is not as good and funny as Margie thinks. Almost nobody today would say that he likes school. And there are many problems like forms with too many children, but I think regular teachers cannot be the solution. I think the story, the fun they had, is very interesting. It shows how the world could be in 2157 when everybody owns a machine teacher. Isaac Asimov's representation of a non desirable school of a future gives you food for thought. How school should be and how much computers determine our lives. So, in my opinion, it is an excellent story. Now let us know some of the difference between the schools we have today and the future school. First of all, materials. Present school we have real books, they are printed on the papers and we have special features of the papers. But in the future school, we will have only telebook, ebook on the screen. So it can be changed. Second, we have teachers, the very important aspect. In present school, teachers are real person. They can communicate with the people, attached emotionally to the students. So even though they are not perfect, but they have person to person relation. But in future school, what is going to happen? Everything going to be a mechanical. There will be robots. They will be giving test after test, no communication. There will be a large, cold, black, ugly, more smart, always be correct. So you can't ask them question or they can't relate to you emotionally. The third thing, the classrooms. These days, as we know, we all come at the same time, rush towards the school. We have each classrooms for different classes, but in future school, they have the classes, they have their school in the house. So as it is described in the story, the the teacher or the school is very next to their bedrooms. So it is just needless to leave the house, they stay inside and there is no social relations. Homework and tests. Now, these days we are having exams, test papers, writing, essays, and so on. But in future school, they have to write in the computer, pressing the keys, or put them in the slot, or using the special keys.